this season by free agent signing of Craig Anderson, drafting this kid #1, and now is it possible that this is how they get into the playoffs?
My money's on Matthew Shane.
Oh, I'm telling you.
He loves this, doesn't he?
He lives for this. He really and truly does.
Here's your dream, Matthew Shane. Can he do it?
He can!